How to create a video player to show a video from network or from file system in a Flutter application. Let's get started and create our video model like this and add a list of our videos here. Then inside our scaffold body, we will add a list view to show our videos here. Therefore, in the item builder property, we return a row as a child, and inside this row we will show the thumbnail of the video and its name next to it. Now we can go up and initialize the video player controller. Then inside the init state, we define a method to play a video. Therefore, we create our method and pass the index which starts from 0 and our init variable which gets false value for now. And then we can go to the init state and make our init value to true. Then inside our method first we check if the index is lesser than 0 or greater than length of our videos list, and then we just return. Now we will initialize our video player controller, and here we need to say what we want to load. And in our case, we load videos from the network. After that, we need to get the first video URL from our videos list which we have it here. Therefore, we have to initialize our current index to 0. Then we add a listener and call every time the set state, and this will make sure that we update always the video if we are later playing. And after initializing, we can play the video. Don't forget to dispose the video controller at the end. Now we create a container with a specific height and background color above our list view. And in its child widget, we check if our controller is initialized. We show our video player with a specific height. And this video player widget is directly come from the video player package. Otherwise, we show a circular progress indicator until the video player controller is initialized. Now we can reload the app and see that the video is playing in our app. Next, inside a row widget, we will show a video progress indicator which takes the video player controller as the property. Then we set the allow scrubbing to true for when the user is touching the video progress indicator and try to seek video accordingly. Now we want to show the current position of the video. Therefore, we create a value listenable builder which listens to our controller, and then inside the builder property we return a text, and we can get the position of the video using the video player value and show it using our video duration method which created already here. Now as you see, we are displaying the position of the video before the video progress indicator. We can even show the duration of our video. Therefore, here after our video progress indicator, we will create a text and get the duration of the video from the controller, then put it in the video duration method to show it in a right format. Next, we want to play and pause a video. Therefore, we create an icon button and we will show an icon based on if the video is playing or it is paused. Then we can go with its functionality and check if the video is playing. We will stop it, otherwise we will play it. And now we can click on this button to play the video or else pause it. After that, we want to click on our list view item and play one of this video. Therefore, we need to wrap our list view item with the inkwell widget, and inside the onTap property, we put our play video method with the index of the item which user clicked on it. After that, we go to the play video method and pause the current video if it is playing. After that, we update the current index with the new index which the user clicked on it. Now if we click on any of this item, we can play that video. Next, we want to load a video from our file system. Therefore, we do the same thing and create our video player controller. And then inside the init state, we define a method to play our video. Therefore, for now, I hard-coded a file which is pointing a video in my file system. So now inside our method, we do the same thing as before and initialize the controller, but this time with the file method instead of the network. Then we will play the video. After initializing our video, we need to go to the dispose method and clean up our controller. Next, we'll go to the body of our page and create the video player widget which takes our controller as its property. Now if we reload the app, we see that our video is displayed here in our application which we loaded from the file system. Next, we add a button to pick a video from our file system. Therefore, we create a method, and inside the method we can simply call the file picker which comes directly from the file picker package. And then here we have this method pick files which has a type property, and we will just pick the video from our file system. Then we check if our result is null, we return null. Otherwise, we will return a file with a file path which we get it from the result here. After that, we go to our button and check if our picked file is null. We simply return. Otherwise, we will play the video with our picked file. Now as you can see, we can click on this button and pick a video to play it. Next, we want to display a video in a landscape mode. Therefore, first of all, we will wrap our video player with the stack widget, then create an icon button which we will position it in the right and bottom side of our video player. Now inside the onPress method of the icon button, we will navigate to our landscape page and pass the video player controller to our landscape page with it. Now here in our landscape page, first we display our video using the controller which we have passed here. Then inside the init state, we define a method to change the page into landscape mode. Therefore, inside our method, by the help of the system Chrome, we set the preferred orientations to the landscape left and landscape right of our device orientation. Now if we click here in this button, we see that our video is displayed in the landscape mode. After that, inside the dispose method, we define the set all orientation method to just clean up all the orientation when we go out of this page. Therefore, inside the method, we set the orientation to the device orientation. And now if we go back to the previous page, you see that we are switching again to the portrait mode.